Welcome back, dear students. So let's continue the next part of the chapter, chemical bonding. Last lecture we have covered hybridization. In that first type of hybridization हमने पढ़ा sp3 hybridization और example कौन सा था वहाँ पे मीथेन. So here we have second type of hybridization, sp2. So already we have defined the meaning of sp2 hybridization. It's a mixing and recasting of 1s and 2p orbitals to produce 3 hybrid orbitals. New sp2 hybrid orbital, there are three. Okay, so let's start and understand one example here, that is a formation of ethene molecule, that is C2H4 ethene molecule. Okay, the question can be asked, explain the sp2 hybridization in ethene molecule. So you start with the writing down the ground state electronic configuration for one of the carbon atom. There are two carbon atoms, correct? So just write down for one carbon atom, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, ground state showing the orbital diagram, and then excited state. Of course, carbon has to go to excited state. Okay, so after going to the excited state, as you can see here, okay, ground state will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay, then one electron gets transferred, then we write down 1 here. Okay, so after the formation of 4 orbitals containing single electron, then the next step will be hybridization. And the hybridization is sp2. That means this 1s and these 2 p orbitals, okay, will hybridize and they will produce 1, 2, 3 new orbitals, 3. Okay, and then this orbital will remain unhybridized. Hybridization में participate नहीं करता है, so that is called unhybridized pz orbital. So this is the case for the first carbon atom. Similarly, we have second carbon atom also with the same situation. Okay, so this carbon atom with these 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals containing single electron, first carbon atom will form a bond with second carbon atom, and remaining 2 electrons they will form bond with 2 hydrogen atoms. Okay, so this is the carbon atom, this one formation, okay, of 2 bonds with 2 hydrogens here and 1 bond with second carbon C. Okay, so similar will be the case for the second carbon atom. Again, single bond with this carbon atom, then bonding with 2 hydrogen atoms. Okay, so now the geometry orbital diagram. These 3 hybrid or sp2 hybrid orbitals which are produced, they are having the geometry trigonal planar. Okay, trigonal planar. These are the 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals of first carbon atom, and similarly 1, 2, 3. So they are having trigonal planar geometry, and this orbital here, as you can see, it's unhybridized 2pz orbital containing single electrons. Okay, so there are 2 pz orbitals which are unhybridized. Okay, so they will overlap laterally, both these orbitals overlapping laterally containing single electrons, and one more bond is formed. Okay, this one more bond is formed which is called pi bond. Okay, and this is the finally the structural formula for ethene that we have to match with the orbital diagram. Carbon carbon, 2 hydrogen atom bonding, 2 hydrogen cell, carbon carbon, 1 bond, and this unhybridized orbital of both the carbon